Do you want to flip an image in After Effects, but you're not sure where to find the option? Think of it like a mirror. In this quick video, I'll show you two easy ways to flip an image, horizontally or vertically. If you want to follow along, the link is in the description. First, open After Effects and click New Composition. I'll keep the default settings and click OK. First, let's import the image. Press Ctrl plus I and select your image. Now, drag the image into the timeline. This also places it in the composition. Make sure the image layer is selected. Press S to reveal scale. We will change scale to 20%. Right now, the scale is 20% horizontally and 20% vertically. Turn off constrain proportions. To flip the image horizontally, set the X value to -20. To flip the image vertically, set the Y value to -20. Wait, I just remembered there's an even easier way to do this. Select the image layer, go to Layer Arrow Transform, and choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. That's how you can flip an image in After Effects. If you want to understand how animations actually work in After Effects, watch my keyframes video next. The link is in the description.